Hey there, gamers. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Look no further than the Aotesier Hot Gaming PC Gamer with i5, i7, or i9 CPU options, GTX 950 graphics card, 64GB RAM, and 1TB SSD. This PC is a powerhouse that will crush even the most demanding games like Fortnite, PUBG, and World of Warcraft. The super-fast processing power of the Intel Xeon E52650 CPU will ensure that you can handle even the most CPU-intensive tasks with ease. And with options for GeForce GTX 10 series and GeForce RTX 20 series graphics cards, you can enjoy lifelike, smooth graphical rendering for truly immersive gaming experiences. The distinctless storage with SSDs means that you can load all your games much faster than with traditional hard disk drives. And with the customizable RGB LEDs and shining cooler fans, this PC not only performs like a beast, but also looks incredible. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming setup with the Aotesier Hot Gaming PC Gamer and take your gaming experience to new heights. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible gaming PC today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's level up together.